Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to my new camera unboxing. So, welcome everybody. I have been so lucky to have found the resources on YouTube to find out what my problems were in regards to photography and how I can fix them, and then to find a store in Nairobi that has what I need. Can't even believe it. Pretty much the same prices as Amazon, not joking, can't believe it. Because usually we pay a lot more here, 40% plus shipping, blah, 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 it's expensive. But my problems were, just to give you the synopsis, my camera is old. It does not have, like when it focuses, it makes noise. You can hear the lens moving, which is annoying. Google how to fix it. They're like, use one of those lapel mics, like an external mic, and then you don't hear the lens because the microphone is not where the camera is. My camera is like 8 years old. It doesn't have a microphone jack. So that's not going to work for me. I have to just accept the fact I need a different camera. Looked into that, blah, 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 and the things you're looking for, like Wi-Fi, connectivity, so you can like transfer things quickly, and frame rate, and silent motor for the lenses. If you need a silent motor, meaning the lens can focus on your moving hands, as you do crochet tutorials perhaps, you need a silent lens so that it can move, it can focus on you without you hearing it. Fine. So that is called STM lenses made by Canon. Apparently they're the best in the game right now. And they start, well, there's a whole bunch of different ones that have them, and then you have to decide which camera you want for you. I hummed and hawed for like 2 months and then decided on the 200D. This is the same as the SL2, which is the same as like basically as low as you want to go on the Canon food chain to get the silent lens and the flip screen, so you can, like right now I'm on my old Nikon, the screen doesn't flip out, so I'm just guessing that I'm in the shot and I'm guessing that it's still recording. The battery life on here, I've heard it's about 2 hours for the battery, but I have not checked myself because it's just brand new. So I decided on the SL2, also known as the 200D if you're in Europe or I think even Asia. I think SL2 is only in the North Americas, because what somebody told me on a YouTube video was, don't spend all of your money on a camera body, you also need lenses. So, and then I watched another guy review it, and he said that basically there's not much difference between this one and the next 3 ones up. The next one you want to compare it to is the 80D. What's that called? I think that's the 80D in North America. But that's like an actual big heavy camera, like it's a real camera. This has almost all the bits. For video, it's great. For photography, there's differences. I'm not doing photography, I'm doing video. So be practical, get the cheapest one, and then with the extra money, get a lens or two. I have not got a lens or two, but I got the camera. So I called the company yesterday. They didn't have one in stock. They said they'll get one tomorrow. I was like, no, you won't. They called me this morning and they brought it over. They delivered for $5. Yes. And from the price they quoted me, and then they told me how much to pay, they took 50 bucks off the bill. I didn't even ask for a discount. So I am all about them. Was it Cameras Africa? Universal Gift Center, downtown Nairobi. All about it. I'll put a link in the description box below. Highly recommend. Let's open it. I've waited so long. Okay, I've saved up. I think 4 months now I've been saving up with my YouTube money from my Google AdSense. Okay, warranty card, receipt, keep that together. Safety precautions. Okay, don't put the battery in a fire. I mean, I'm just guessing. Quick reference guide. That's a lot. I think it has a lot of languages. No, that's not my language. Yeah. So that much is English. It's nice, I'll take it. I'll be going through that later. proper plug, the 3-prong, lots of them here you just get like, I think it's the UK version or the European with just 2 prongs, and then you have to get an adapter. So this is good. That is a good sign. Oh, lookity. SanDiscs, 16 GB. I didn't even know I was getting this. 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them, 5 of them, 6, 7, 8, 9, what? I usually buy these from Amazon. 10 16 GB cards. Thank you. Thank you, Universal Gift Center. That is like so classy. I better check the box. What does it even say? Does it didn't even say it had that inside. That is so nice. It says digital camera, zoom lens, the strap, the battery charger, and a battery pack. Well, thank you for the 10 discs, the 10 storage discs. Okay, battery, another wire. Oh, see, that's the other plug. That's the plug we normally get. But they got me a good one. Ha ha. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna take out the little bits. Oh, this is the charger. Battery charger. Canon, love it. Oh, this is probably my lens. Yes, it is. STM. So I've been looking at these all over the place. Yes. And the only place it says STM is in there. And it says it. So that's something silent motor. Silent blah, blah, blah motor. So you need STM. And I have it. So excited. I don't even know how to put a lens on a camera. I have to YouTube that. And the strap. Canon strap, good. Now the money. Excellent. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, and it's so light. Okay, so empty box. Cute little camera. Oh, I like it. So the difference of this one and the more, they're like $200 more for each other camera that steps up. Is the body. This is kind of like a lightweight body, and some people don't like that, but I do like that. And it's not weatherproof, where the 80D is weatherproof. I don't take film outside. The screen flips. That's what you want. That's the money. Anyway, I found an 80D. Like I went and felt it at a different store, and it's really heavy. Which is good if you like, you know, not moving around and stuff. But this is super, super portable. And it has the jack where you can plug in your microphone somewhere, I don't know where, on the other side. You can plug in your microphone and you could put on your light at the top for doing hand photography, like crafting tutorials. So excited. So that's my good news. So this in Kenya was 65,000 shillings, which is $650. On Amazon, I think they're about $600. Probably more if you get 10 SanDiscs inside. Thank you. So, happy about that. And can't wait to start. Ooh, it's pretty. That scares me. That scares me. Anyway, I'm excited. So if you're thinking of getting a new camera or anything at Amazon, actually, I'll put a link for this one in the description box below. You can just go check it out. And then also whatever shopping you're doing doesn't have to be a camera. It can be toothpaste or laundry soap or whatever you're buying on Amazon. Just click on an affiliate link below and then go and do your shopping. And a small percentage of that, like a couple percent, 2 or 3 or maybe 4%, goes towards the Secret Yarnery. It depends on what it is, but it's about 4%. So that would be super helpful, and thanks so much for watching. Stay hooked.